Hi Muskan, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. Thanks for asking. What about you, sir?
I'm good too. Thank you. So congratulations to you for getting selected in an IT company. How do you feel about it?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It's all because of you, sir.
No, no. So how do you feel about it and how many years of experience you have?
Sir, I have over 5 years of experience. We can say 5.4 years of experience, wherein 1.7 in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM and rest 3.5 years in insurance domain.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how did you came to know about this job opportunity?
Via LinkedIn, sir.
Well, LinkedIn. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you elaborate how many rounds, interview rounds were there, and how did you prepare for this kind of interviews?
Yeah, so there are three rounds. First one was the technical round, which is totally scenario based question were there,
Mm-hmm.
and some related to testing terms and previous experience of like insurance domain and Microsoft Dynamics 365 questions. And second one round was the CEO round. It is just a discussion like whether I'm comfortable to travel and all these questions. And third one was the HR round.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
So
great.
in first technical round, some question was related to testing terms like SDLC, testing methodologies, and some related to the CRM like entities, workflow in CRM.
Yeah. So, how did you prepare for these interviews?
Sir, I just want to inform that earlier when like it's been 3.5 years, I didn't appear in any interview.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a bit difficult for me. Like I resigned in 5th April, on 5th April, and after that I was preparing only for technical questions like the testing terminologies and everything. But I was not aware that market there were some scenario based questions are also there.
Mm-hmm.
So I start YouTube. Even I was not aware about RD automation learning channel.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just searching some interview questions, scenario based questions. I found your videos. So
Okay.
from there only I prepared the scenario based questions. So sir, I want to share one experience. Like I was appeared in one interview which was on 29th of April. So
Great.
the person asked me if you're a junior member, write only 10 test cases for a functionality to test. Then in this case, what will you do? So my answer was very silly. I answered like, I will ask my team members to write more cases.
Mm-hmm.
But now I come to know what should be the answer. Like I have to check
Right.
that full coverage is there or not, where by preparing the RTM. So
Mm-hmm.
I improve myself with the videos of yours. So I answered in that way only.
Great, great. Okay. So, is it possible for you to share few of the interview questions that you have got when you have been giving multiple interviews, right, in multiple companies?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. So, can you share few of the interview questions so that we can
Yeah,
create video on these questions?
yeah. So, sir, I remember when I appeared in the first interview, the question scenario based question was related to like how will you as I have over 5 years of experience and I'm working as a module lead. So some questions related to the management, like
Mhm.
how you manage your team and how much time you give for the testing and for the management of managing the team. And so some question was related, I just shared one question like how will you identify that the all the scenarios has been covered in the test cases or not. And if your team member write only 10 cases for a functionality, in that case what will you do? And one question was related to conflict management, like if a developer is not ready to fix your bug, then what will you do in this condition? And yeah, I remember all till now. I just recalling these questions.
Mm-hmm. Great, great. Okay. So how do you manage your team? Identify all scenarios have been covered or not. Conflict management. Okay. So these 3 to 4 questions you are able to recall.
Yes,
And
sir.
so how many interviews did you give after you have resigned from the current company? How many interviews?
Around 5 interviews, sir.
Okay, 5 interviews. So
Yeah.
do you think that the market, the job market has not opened for testers? What do you think about the job market these days?
Sir, as per my experience, I was not able to get a single call in first month. Like in April, hardly I got a single call.
Okay.
Then after I update my Naukri profile on daily basis around 4 to 5 times, and then I start getting calls
Mm-hmm.
like 1 or 2 calls a day.
Great. So when you are getting hello, so how much hike you have received in the new company till you got the job?
Yes, yes, I got 62% hikes.
62% of hike. Great, great.
Yes.
And currently the people are feeling that they are not getting enough calls from the Naukri or from the LinkedIn as well. They are applying at multiple places for multiple job openings, but still they are not getting that much number of calls. Do you think they should purchase the Naukri subscription or Naukri premium, or do you think they should go for LinkedIn premium account? Do you think such kind of things should be purchased?
Sir, it's a means personal opinion. I don't think so. It will work. Yeah, I just suggest who all are job seeker, like they have to like update their Naukri and LinkedIn profile every single day, right from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Like
Mhm.
they will get the call, I guess, in the if they update in daily basis.
Mhm. So any specific keywords that we need to use in the resume or in your profile on the basis of which the number of calls will increase?
Sir, in my profile, I use all the like testing terminologies that I have expertise in, like test planning, test cases writing and execution,
Mm.
testing methodologies, and quality assurance, quality management. All these keywords I used in my profile.
Mhm. Is it possible for you to share your CV? If you
Yes, sir,
can,
sure, I'll share you.
yeah. Okay, you'll be sharing it later. Okay, fine. So
Yes,
these are few of the skills that you are telling, like test plan, test cases,
yes, sir.
test case
Yes,
management, quality assurance. Okay.
yes.
Anything from the automation testing?
Sir, actually, I don't have any experience in automation. Like, I
Mhm.
enrolled myself in one of the courses just
Mhm.
1 week before.
Okay.
So I'm learning automation, but I didn't mention anything in my resume as I don't have an hands-on experience in it. So I will not be able to answer that question. That's why I didn't mention in my CV.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely, yeah. So it's better not to include those things in the CV, which we
Yes,
won't be able to answer as well. Okay.
correct.
So this is one of the aspect. Okay. Apart from this, if today you will see, you are seeing a lot of AI tools are coming in the market, like ChatGPT is there,
Mhm.
Perplexity AI is there. Do you think AI will be replacing software testers in their jobs?
Sir, I don't think so, as the work of a human can be done by human only. Like as a manual tester, means sir, what I can say for this question, like if I am doing some testing, like right from the login page to some last page of any functionality, like let's take an example of an insurance policy, as I was in insurance domain. So
Mm-hmm.
like first a user have to enroll log in onto the panel. They will reach to the change password page. If they are a new user, they have to complete their profile page. So as a manual tester, I will be able to see whole screen, like if multiple functionalities are there on the login page, like the quick access, like the forget password, I will do it manually. Means I will be more confident to check. But when I use any tools like let's take an example of AI. If it will work whatever script I write. Okay, it
Mm-hmm.
will not go here and there. But as a manual tester, I will be able to check whole screen at a single glance. So I don't think so AI will replace our jobs.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, these days, you know what's happening is there are many freshers out there. Even people who are experienced, they don't have that many jobs, and they are also looking for getting a new job because recently, if you'll see 2024 till last 2023, December 2023, a lot of layoffs were happening in the companies. So
Yes.
people are there out in the market who are looking for jobs. So at the same time, they're also getting confused. They are feeling like AI will be replacing them. So that's why I
Mhm.
wanted to get that clarity from you actually. And
Mhm.
you told it very correctly. AI cannot replace the software testers because software testers know in and out about the product. They have got the
Correct.
product knowledge and accordingly they'll do the testing. But from
Mhm.
the AI, they can just get the suggestions what testing needs to be done. And that is still
Yes.
0.001% of what the things testers actually do day in and day out. They will be able to do. Okay. So you're telling about these interviews. So how many rounds of interviews were there?
So in the first interview, there were 4 rounds. First
Mm-hmm.
is total means some XYZ company I have given the interview, which is very reputed company. So there was 4 rounds,
Okay.
and first round, which is totally a technical round, all the question related to the testing only. Then the second one was the techno management kind of like as I said, I was not aware about the like scenario based question. I was not prepared for that. So the question was related to that only, like how will you manage your team? How
Mm-hmm.
will you identify that all test cases are covered in the document or not?
Okay.
And how much time you will you provide to your team management and like testing.
Mm-hmm.
So I was rejected in the second round itself, as I thought I was very strong I'm very strong in technical questions, like question related to the testing, but not prepared for the scenario based questions. So I was rejected only there. But there were, as HR informed me that there were 4 rounds, technical, techno management, and the third one is manager round, and the fourth one is the HR round.
Okay.
But here, the company I got selected, there were only 3 rounds, like the technical round, the CEO round, and the HR round only.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Great. Great. So you had technical round, HR round, and CEO round. So what
Yes.
questions did they ask in the CEO round?
Sir, it was totally related to like personal questions, means
Mm-hmm.
about the family. Will you able to
Yeah.
travel that long distance? And this type of question were there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
If
Fine.
you get an opportunity to travel to like it is a company, client based company, and all the clients are in German, Canada, and UK. So they
Mm.
asked me if we need you to try, if we want you to travel to Germany, will you leave your child for 2 3 weeks? Like this type of questions were there.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. No worries. So, Muskan, once again, congratulations to you for getting
Thank
selected in
you,
one
sir.
of the IT company, right? And any last thing you would like to share with the people who are watching this video? Any kind of advice, any kind of suggestion you would like to give to them with respect to the current interviews that are happening in the market?
So I just want to tell all the job seekers that be confident, be prepared, and watch all the interview videos,
Hmm.
like scenario based question. It is more likely to ask in the interview questions. Like in technical, all people are like people having 2 plus or 3 plus years of experience are definitely know how to test the software. They are aware about all the functionalities and all the terminologies. But I suggest them to prepare for the scenario based question as well.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
be confident, don't worry, we will definitely get a call. And whenever an opportunity comes, before that appearing that opportunity, you have to be very confident and you should be prepared 100%. Like we just need to give our 100%, then rest God knows.
Right, right. No, no, absolutely. So if the people are confident when they are going for the interviews, then definitely they'll be able to think and they'll be able to answer it correctly. At times what
Yes.
happens is people do get a lot of nervousness in their interviews, and then even if they would have read anything about it, even they would have been doing these things in and out, but they won't be able to explain because of the fear, because of
Right.
the
Yes,
nervousness
sir.
that they have, right? So that's a very true thing, right? So thank you so much, Muskan, for coming on our channel and sharing this success story with us, and wish you all the best for your career ahead. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.